tell, I like just woke up. So I don't have my glasses on. Last night I didn't get home till 1 in the morning. And yeah, we just finished our last show yesterday, and today we have the cast party. But it was really bittersweet. I wanted to start crying, but I knew I couldn't because my makeup, and I didn't want to mess it up. But it was a really bittersweet show. I'm like close to one of the seniors, so I'm gonna miss her. And I'm also really tired. And yeah, that's all for right now. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. Hey guys, now I'm all ready. Yeah, Jayanna just went downstairs to get breakfast, and I'm gonna help her out in a second. And yeah. Morning, Jayanna. Eating some toast and Nutella for breakfast. Does that come down yet?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I have to go to church today.
Yes.
No.
I can't go.
No. You always can't go.
I have a cast party to go to, and we're taking down the set today. I can't go because I have to help out my cast.
Mm-hmm.
Happy again! It's raining, and we're going to the dumpster to find a piece of wood for Ray. So, there's something to pick from. So,
Everyone is saying this little piece.
yes,
Yes.
the front and back and everything.
Front and back.
But there's this one piece in the middle that's long enough, but every year when we take down the set, we get a piece of wood that we're trashing to sign for everyone to sign.
What if we get everyone sign like a small signature on this?
It depends on how big the Sharpie is, though.
Oh, I have like the small tip.
Okay.
How many people are there?
24.
Yeah, that would be perfect.
Okay. It is raining, and I'm
Alright,
gonna
come
use.
on.
Let's go! In the rain. Should we close? Yeah, we should close that. No.
Object you, but I don't know how to get to your dog
Freeze.
unless
My dog.
You're
Okay, just let me know when it starts hurting.
it really hurts.
Okay, good. I didn't say I was gonna stop. I just wanted to know. Okay, but you don't understand. We're trying to be bats right now. Okay.
Okay,
Is this how you beat a bat? That's the essence of the bat.
Who do I remove?
You gotta be in her. Wait, Emma doesn't mind. No, Emma doesn't care. She's out here. But what if I? Oh! Then you're
so.
But oh, how do you grasshopper?
No, I ended up. We were gonna. gonna get Miss Preen to destroy the world, and you look exactly like her. Do you know Miss Preen? She was a nurse. I can't understand a word you're saying.
Freeze.
Geez, sorry.
And so you hold the teacup with your pinky out. Oh, ma'am, that is a stick of butter. Freeze. It's delicious.
Oh my god.
You have to pinky swear. Pinky swear about what again? Pinky swear you won't tell anyone. I got a dog. You got a dog? Okay, I'll pinky swear. Can I see a dog? No.
Wow, okay.
Freeze.
Yes.
Okay, I get it. We're in the dollar store, but I'm feeling frisky right now. You can't tell anyone I'm about to do this, okay? Okay. I really wish the fan froze.
Oh, please. I understand you like doing this, but this pool doesn't have any water, so you can't swim in here.
Oh, but I saw the
There's
teacup
no
right over
water
here.
here.
I
That is
saw
your
the
mind.
freeze.
He's literally less than 2 seconds.
I just you happy?
The voices! They
Makes it freeze. Go, Nathan.
Praying in Spanish.
I realize you don't have a house, but this is not an appropriate place to sleep. You're in an office.
I think you're wrong.
No.
I think you're wrong.
I think you're wrong.
This is not a place you can sleep. You're in a McDonald's, man. It is 2 in the morning.
Oh, it's McDonald's.
You need to leave. It's comfy. You have to get up.
But McDonald's, it has
You need to get up.
freeze air about it. You're right in front of her camera, Nate.
Body is almost done. Okay, let's go. Let's move the body. Let's move the body. Oh my god!
Freeze.
We had the same idea. I was just gonna go limp.